Hello everyone. Today let's talk about some greeting words in German. Hallo, which means hello in English. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Morgen, good morning. Morgen means morning. Tschüss, which means bye. And also ciao means bye. Next is Auf Wiedersehen, which means goodbye. Bis später, which means see you later. Another one is bitte, which means please. Entschuldigung, which means excuse me. If we need attention from anyone, we use it. Next is wie geht es dir or wie geht es Ihnen. Both sentences have same meaning, but one sentence is formal and another is informal. The meaning is how are you? Next is bis bald, which means see you soon. Danke, which means thanks. And another is Danke schön or Danke sehr. Both have same meaning, thank you very much. And the final one is Es tut mir leid, which means I am sorry.